What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? This is old KluTz333. I just wanted to come out here and do a reply to the 30-second hiccup cure. 30-second, I believe that's it. 30-second hiccup cure. Let's see, my grandpa told me that you should take a glass of water and get you a mouthful. I mean, I'm not going to drink a glass of water or a mouthful of water, because then I wouldn't be able to explain. But you get a mouthful of water, turn upside down, and swallow it, and then your hiccups will be gone. Oh, that fell. Take care. Safe journey. This is KluTz.